Welcome back to Bentham Pottery. I've got a 4-ounce ball of clay here, and what I'm going to attempt to do is I'm going to attempt to do a moon jar with 4 ounces of clay. So I'll throw it onto the middle of the wheel. I'll actually turn the wheel on would help. Turn the wheel on, centre up. So I've coned it very, very slightly there and brought it down. But this piece of clay, it feels all right. It's not quite still, so I'm waiting for it to feel completely still. So I've got it more or less on centre there. I'm going to go in using the resurrection position, slowly draw it out, draw it in, come up, dwell on the rim a little bit and come off, so I've got a nice tight volcano shape. I'm going to give it a straight lift. So I probably mentioned before, the way to make moon jars is to make a cylinder and then just slowly tease it out into the moon jar shape. So I'm going to give it a bit of a bulge now. I'm going to suggest the shape to it a little bit here. And again. And while I'm here, I might as well take away a little bit of the clay from the base down there. So I'm virtually there with it. I should really get the water out at this stage as well. So I've got a sponge on a stick, which is ideally suited to going into small pots and taking the water out. That's good. So I'm only going to apply water on the outside now. I'm going to go in and I'm going to look at the shape and try and get it into the perfect sphere, which is never easy when you're making a moon jar. It's never easy to get that absolutely perfect sphere shape. I'm just going to bring it in a touch there. Bring it out a touch there. I'm going to go back in and just work on the shoulder a little bit, bring the shoulder up, come off really slowly there. And I'm using my little finger because it's the only finger I can actually use. Take the water off there. Okay, so that is a 4-ounce moon jar. I'll just bring it up closer so you can see it, so you can look at the whole thing. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.